The purpose of this video is to show you the basics of loading a coal barge. The loading of a coal barge is somewhat different than the loading of a coal ship. Instead of moving inshore and offshore with the ship loader, the operator will basically be staying down the center line of the barge. The operator is also in radio contact with the barge master, who will be giving directions while loading. When you start the first pile, boom the ship loader down to minimize the dust. Boom up as the pile rises. In this photo, the ship loader operator should boom down 5 or 6 feet. The barge master or the foreman will tell the operator where he wants you to start loading. Usually from the center. In this photo, the operator started here, then traveled east toward the rear of the barge. The operator will let the cargo build up on the barge sides before traveling east. By watching the height of the coal building up on each side, you will know if you are on the center line of the barge. Do not let the coal spill over the sides. The barge master will also tell you how far you can load toward the rear of the barge. Keep loading till the toe of the pile hits that mark, in this case to the 30-foot mark. The operator then would travel back to the center of the barge and turn the trimmer around to face the east. Now as the coal builds up, the operator will travel west toward the front of the barge. Again, do not let the coal spill over the front wall. When loading is complete, the barge must be upright and have a certain rake from back to front. The barge master will advise you to achieve this. You may have to pour off the center line to get any list out, but do not spill any coal into the water. Usually you will be given a tonnage number, so you will have to watch your scale. Often the barge will have an unloading hopper and front end loader in the center. In this photo, the operator started at the rear of the barge, working toward the center. Again, it is up to the barge master where he wants you to start. Continue loading till the toe of the pile approaches the hopper or the front end loader. If you were given a tonnage number, close your gate when that number is reached. Once your belts run dry, slew over the machines and turn your trimmer around to face them. Open your gate and continue loading. Now, working toward the front of the barge. Again, boom down to avoid dust.